Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of creating a new function. Your company is planning to introduce a new function, then you now need to create this function in PromptHR. Before you log in into PromptHR, check that you have admin rights to create a new function. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Masters from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Org Structure. Click on Function. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form to add your new function. 1. Enter code, for example MKT. I entered this code because I am going to enter marketing as a new function. 2. Enter the name of the function, for example marketing. 3. Select company from the drop-down. 4. Select business unit/division, if you want to map this function with any one of them. In this example I select these two. 5. Click on Save. After saving, you can see the newly created function in your list.